Hello everyone, my name is Nilesh and welcome to our HTML beginning part 5 series. So today we'll discuss about the HTML table tag. So I'm open my Visual Studio Code. So this is index.html we previously created. So here I'm creating a new index file, the HTML index file. So I will give name like table index and it is HTML. So we use .html extension. So this file is created. So we are using HTML means creating HTML we using Visual Studio Code. So you can simply click right here HTML and select this HTML colon 5 and press the enter. So it automatically create the HTML template. So we are creating a one table. So table is a nothing but it is the row and columns. So the table have the headings and the data. So to create a table tag, we use the table tag. So sorry my mistake. Yeah. Here we are create one table tag. So this is the table tag. We open and close this. So as I told previously, the table have the table heading and table body. So we can create table heading. So the heading tag are used to define the heading, and inside the heading we have the table rows. So tr tag are used to define the table rows, and inside the we define the headings. Like for that we use a th tag. So th is the table heading. Suppose I want to create a table for a student. So students have a ID. So all the headings for the student table we define here. So ID, then we have the name, then I will give the address, then phone number. Yeah, enough for this. So if I save this and run this program, you can see. So now the table heading is displayed here. So if you see, the border is not displayed here. So I we see like this. This is a one line, but it is the table. So to make the border, we use the border attribute. So inside this table, here we use the border, and there is a two option for border. One is for 0. If you define 0 and run this again, then nothing is happened. If you use 1, then our border will be applied. If you refresh, see the border is applied. So 1 or 0 you can choose based on your. If you want border, then you use 1, otherwise you use 0. Now we will create the heading of the our table. Now we want to make the entries for the this table, means the table data. So for that we use the table body. So table body is nothing but after the t head tag we create the table body. So for that we use the t body tag. So table body means this body is nothing but we define all the table data inside here. So here also we create one tr tag, which is the table row, and inside that we use the td. So td is the table data. So the first heading is the id. So based on id, here we use one id. Then the next one is the our name. So I use here alex, then the address I use usa, then phone number. So I will put here any random number like enough. Yeah. So here we define the table body, and inside table body we create a one tr tag. Tr means the table row, and inside the table row we define the columns, which is the t. If I go to browser and refresh this, See, our heading is displayed here, and based on the ID, the ID number, then name, the name, address, the phone number is displayed. So now if you want to add more row, so basically this is the row. This one is, this line is row, this first line also row, and this one, the ID, name, these are the columns. So here we define one tr. So I will copy this and I will make the new tr as well, means table row. If I save this and refresh, see it effect two times, means we use the tr, means table row two times. That's why it's showing two times. So I change this to, I use my name Nilesh India. So here I think I miss, we use td. So I refresh, see, so it reflected. So these are the table tag. So table tag have the table heading, then table body. Inside the table heading we use the tr tag to define the row, and inside the row we define the table heading. So for defining heading we use the th tag, and we have the table body tag. So in the table body we create the tr, and inside the tr we use the td to define the table data. So you can see this output here. Suppose you have these two column, like you have a two button, like edit and delete. So that button here we simply create one action. So delete and edit is action, no? So here I create th and write action. And now here I use td and I write edit, and one more as delete. Same, I copy these two TDs and I will paste here after this TD. So now we define the TDs, two TDs, for one is edit and delete. So I will go to and refresh, see action. So it action displaying one D, only one, and the delete, the heading is not displayed. So based on these TDs, means in the table heading, if you use the 5 th, then it shows the 5, and which means 6. If you define the 6 table data, then the heading is not displayed. Now I want to display this edit and delete in one heading, means the action is edit and delete. So for that we use the call span. So here after th we use call span, and now we want to display two TDs inside this action. So action heading. So here we use two and save and go to the page. We refresh. See, the heading is one, and the edit and delete showing inside this. So this is for the table tag. So if you have any doubt in this table HTML table element, you can ask your questions in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. We will continue our next topic in upcoming videos.